Hello and welcome to this video about common mistakes people make when caring for and training their pets. Whether you have a furry friend at home or are considering getting one, it's important to know how to provide them with the best care and training possible. In this video, we'll be highlighting some of the most common mistakes people make and providing tips on how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Improper feeding. The first mistake we'll be talking about is improper feeding. It's important to provide your pet with a balanced and nutritious diet, but many people overfeed or underfeed their pets, or feed them the wrong types of food. Overfeeding can lead to obesity, which can cause a range of health problems, while underfeeding can cause malnutrition. To avoid these mistakes, be sure to follow the feeding guidelines provided by your pet's veterinarian and opt for high-quality, nutritionally balanced pet food. Mistake 2. Lack of exercise. The next mistake we'll be talking about is lack of exercise. Pets need plenty of physical activity to stay healthy and happy, but many people fail to provide enough exercise for their pets. This can lead to behavioral problems and health issues. To avoid this mistake, make sure to provide your pet with plenty of opportunities for physical activity, such as walks, playtime, and trips to the park. Mistake 3. Neglecting veterinary care. Another common mistake is neglecting veterinary care. It's important to take your pet to the vet regularly for checkups and vaccinations, but many people forget or skip these appointments. Neglecting veterinary care can put your pet's health at risk, so be sure to keep up with regular vet visits. Mistake 4. Inconsistent training. The fourth mistake we'll be talking about is inconsistent training. Pets need consistent positive reinforcement training to learn new behaviors, but many people use inconsistent training methods or conflicting training techniques, which can confuse pets and make training more difficult. To avoid this mistake, be consistent in your training methods and seek the advice of a professional trainer if you need help. Mistake 5. Punishing instead of reinforcing. The fifth mistake we'll be talking about is punishing instead of reinforcing. Punishment-based training can damage the relationship between pet and owner and is not as effective as positive reinforcement training. To avoid this mistake, use positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, praise, and play to encourage good behavior. Mistake 6. Ignoring destructive behavior. The next mistake is ignoring destructive behavior. Pets may engage in behaviors such as chewing or scratching due to boredom or stress, but many people ignore these behaviors instead of addressing them. This can allow them to become ingrained habits. To avoid this mistake, provide plenty of mental stimulation and entertainment for your pet, and use positive reinforcement techniques to discourage destructive behaviors. Mistake 7. Not socializing pets. Another common mistake is not socializing pets. Lack of socialization can lead to fearfulness and aggression in pets, so it's important to provide opportunities for socialization, such as trips to the park or playdates with other pets. Mistake 8. Over-grooming. The eighth mistake we'll be talking about is over-grooming. Over-grooming or using harsh grooming products can damage a pet's skin and coat, so it's important to groom your pet gently and regularly. In conclusion, these are some of the most common mistakes people make when caring for and training their pets. By avoiding these mistakes and providing proper care and training, you can help ensure that your pet is happy and healthy.